In this video, I will show you how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on CapCut. Now I've currently got this video loaded through, as you can see here. Now to go ahead and add a keyframe, what you're going to want to do is move the bar to the part where you want to put a keyframe. So for example, let's say I wanted to put one at the start of the video. So what I'm going to do is move the line over here, make sure you've got the video selected, and then what you're going to want to do is come over to this box on the right hand side. Now, next to each of these features, for example, position, rotate, and blend, and even scale, you've got this little kind of diamond shape, and this is where you can add your keyframe. So for example, I can increase the scale here and come over to the right hand side, and you can see this key icon to add keyframe. So all you want to do is click onto this. What's going to happen, the keyframe is going to be added. As you can see, the diamond has turned this blue colour. Then what we can do is add one further down the line. So say we wanted to add one here. So what I'm going to do is actually change the position this time. Next to position, again, you're going to see the icon to add keyframe. So again, you would just click the icon here. And again, as you can see, the diamond has gone blue, which means we've added our keyframe here. So that is pretty much it. That is how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.